Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail to Claude AI in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or on your laptop. Over here in the search bar, simply search for Claude.ai. When you are here, you just have to log in into your account if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you just have to simply create one in order to get access to this particular dashboard over here. Now, when you are inside, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the customize option over here. Now, when you are inside the customize option, you will be shown this first section that says connect your apps. So when you click on the option of connect your apps, you will be shown Gmail, the very first application or the very first extension here on the top. So here you just have to do nothing but to just simply click on this plus icon right next to Gmail. Afterwards, it is going to redirect you on the sign in page where you just have to select your email address and then you just have to press continue. Afterwards, you will be asked to allow some of the permissions. So you just have to keep on just continuing this thing. And here it will be shown that you have successfully connected to Gmail. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.